Unleash your Etsy entrepreneurial spirit with Etsy Masterclass. Are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Look no further than the Etsy Masterclass, your ultimate guide to mastering the art of online entrepreneurship with Etsy. Whether you dream of supplementing your income, achieving location independence, or creating a passive income stream, this masterclass is your ticket to success. What you learn: establishing your shop, learn the ins and outs of setting up your own Etsy shop from scratch, including creating a captivating storefront and optimizing your product listings for maximum visibility, crafting best-selling designs. Discover the secrets to creating irresistible designs that stand out in the crowded Etsy marketplace. From product photography tips to effective product descriptions, scaling from 0 to 100, take your Etsy business to the next level by mastering strategies for scaling your operations, increasing sales, and expanding your product line, automating processes, streamline your workflow and save time by automating repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on growing your business and serving your customers. Passive income generation. Build a source of passive income that works for you around the clock, allowing you to earn money even while you sleep. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock your full potential as an Etsy entrepreneur. Enroll in the Etsy Masterclass today and take the first step toward building the online business of your dreams.